In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order a replacement or new Monzo card and update your delivery address. First, open the Monzo app on your phone and start the process to order a new or replacement card. This is the same flow whether your card is lost, damaged, or you simply want a new one. Take a moment to make sure you're connected to the internet and signed in so everything loads smoothly. As you move through the order screens, you'll be guided to confirm your card details and the delivery information. Before you confirm the order, look for the option to edit the delivery address. It usually appears on the confirmation screen as an editable field or an edit link next to the address. Tap that, then carefully update your address. Double check everything, the house number or flat number, street name, city and postcode. If you've recently moved, make sure you're entering your current complete address and consider any building or unit details that couriers rely on. It's a good idea to read the address out loud to catch small typos. When you're confident it's correct, save the change and proceed to confirm the order. This ensures your card is sent to the right place the first time. If you've already placed the order and realize the address is wrong or you don't see the option to change it during the flow, don't worry. Open the help section in the Monzo app. In the search bar, type update delivery address. This will surface guidance and a way to contact Monzo support directly within the app. Reach out and clearly explain that you've ordered a card and need to update the delivery address. Include the details of the new address in your message and keep the app open for replies. Support will check the status of your card order and let you know if they can update the address before it's dispatched. If the card hasn't been sent yet, they'll aim to make the change right away. If it's already on the way, they'll advise on the best next steps. To wrap up, the easiest path is to update your address during the order before you confirm. If that window has passed or the option isn't available, use the in-app help, search for update delivery address, and contact support to request the change. Follow these steps and you'll keep your card delivery on track with minimal hassle.